Good morning, dear students. Today is our second lecture of pronouns. I hope that you have already seen the first lecture where I have given the definition of the pronouns. I have already told you the types of pronouns. Now we will discuss with the help of the chart, and after that I will elaborate them in next lectures. As I have told you that pronouns are of so many types. For example, personal pronoun. It is used instead of a noun with the indication of the person. That is, it is used for the noun when it shows or it indicates a person. For example, he is a teacher. Here he is used for the noun, that is for the teacher or the name of any person. Distributive, it is used instead of a noun with the indication of the distribution, यानी कि when we distribute something, when we divide something. For example, each of the players gets a prize, यानी कि every one among them has get the prize. We have distributed the prize among them. In the same way, demonstrative, I have already told you about the demonstrative, that they demonstrate which one. For example, I have told you this, that, these, those, they are demonstratives. It is used instead of a noun with the indication of the demonstration. For example, these are our books. It shows which one. Interrogative, as I have already told you that I always say interrogative means questions. It is used instead of a noun with the indication of interrogation. That is when the noun is used for posing the questions. For example, what does he want? Relative, it is used instead of a noun with the indication of relation. That is, it shows the relation to the noun. For example, they met Ram, who had just returned. Here, Ram and they have been related with the who. यानी कि who is Ram? यानी कि the Ram here indicates who is he, यानी कि who has just returned. Also, it is used. Empathetic here means to give the citrus. It is used instead of a noun with the indication of emphasis, citrus. For example, he himself has done it. One is he has done it. Another is he has himself, that is he has done by his own. Nobody has done it this. Another is reflexive pronoun. It is used instead of a noun with the indication of reflection, that is for reflection. For example, he hurt himself. It shows here his reflection. In the same way, non-personal, it is used instead of a noun with the indication of non-person, where there is not the, I can say he, she, it. It rains. Here it does not refer to anything. It here shows, as we say, it is good. In the same way, it rains. I think that you have understood this. Now another is possessive. Possessive means pronoun or possessive means which shows a possession, that you have something. For example, from here, first of all, for example, mine. It shows possession, that it belongs to me, mine. This book is mine. It shows that this book belongs to mine. Ours. The victory is ours. It shows the possession, it belongs to us. Yours. The bag is yours. His. This house is his. It shows his possession. Hers. The purse is hers. Theirs. The car is theirs. It is. The nest is it is. यानी कि it belongs to them or that. In the same way, reciprocal pronouns each other. मिसाल के लिए फॉर एग्जाम्पल राम एंड सीता लव ईच अदर, यानी कि reciprocal. He loves him and she loves him. He loves her and she loves him. Give and take. One another. One another. यानी कि one for another. For example, the parents fought among one another. यानी कि they fought each other. I think that you have understood this. Don't worry, I will elaborate also. I will elaborate. One second. I will elaborate them also. We have already studied this personal pronoun. I think we have already studied. If you can take the screenshot also. Personal pronoun is I, it, they, and them, she, her, he, him, you, me, us, we. It is known to you that I is used for first person singular masculine and feminine both. It for the things and animals in third person, that is singular in subjective and objective case. They and them for third person all genders, that is all singular as well as plural in subjective and objective. You can see yourself. It is known to you she and her for the third person feminine gender, singular in subject and object case. He or him is known to you that for third person singular. It is known to you. You, second person, both masculine and feminine. It is known to you, both males and females. Me and us. It is known to you that first person masculine and feminine in both, but first person. We, first person, but plural. I think that you have got this. You can see yourself here. I will elaborate also. Here I use only the chart. In the same way, indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun are one. It is known to you that one is used with singular verb. In the same way, none. None is used with singular verb. No one, also with singular verb. Nothing, singular verb. Nobody, singular verb. Some is used with plural. For example, some have come, not has come, because they are more. Someone with singular. Something with singular. Somebody with singular. Any with singular. You can see also examples. Anybody with singular. Anything with singular. Anyone with singular. All with plural. For example, all are right. All is right not, because they are more. They are in plural. Few with plural. Few are weak, not few is weak. Many with plural. For example, many are poor. Many is poor not. That is incorrect. Many are poor. Several with plural. For example, several are strong. One, that is, in this way we have completed this also. Relative pronoun. Relative pronoun is used in two ways, in simple and in compound. In case of simple, who, it shows a relation as a subject for person. For example, the man who gave you this book is my brother. In the same way, whom. Whom as an object for person. For example, the boy whom you wanted to see is my friend. Whose. in the possessive case of a person, for example, the girl whose brother died recently got the job, which is a subjective, but you have to remember that it is used for things. For example, the book which I gave you was bought for 50 rupees. What? Objective, and also for things. What they told us is right. That is an objective for persons as well as for things. This is the man that I talked about. In the same way as we show such. For example, Ram is such a friend as I like. But for persons or objectives, for example, there is no boy but loves cricket. Yani ki who does not love cricket? Here it means that there is every boy that they love the cricket. Now the compound one is, that is compound is known to you, that combination of two or more than two. Here is combination of two. Whosoever, that is combination of whosoever, in the sense of no matter what the person is. Here it is meaning is no matter what the person is. For example, you will get understand with the help of example. Whosoever come, ask them to wait here. Yani ki it doesn't matter whoever will come. In the same way, whichever, in the sense of no matter which it is. For example, you will give, he will give you whichever you like. In the same way, whatever, but you have to remember that you have to write these together, not separately, whatever, whichever. In the sense of no matter what it is, and it is meaning is no matter what it is. For example, he wants the book, whatever it cost, and whatever it maybe it is cost, but he wants the book, he will take the book. Whenever, in the sense of no matter when it is, yani whenever it will happen, that doesn't matter. Whenever I meet my friend, I feel happy. Yani whenever I meet him, I feel at that time happy. Wherever, in the sense of no matter where it is, wherever it is, that doesn't matter. Wherever, he will follow you wherever you go. 1 second. Now it. First of all, you have to remember that it is used to talk about things and animals. It is used for young children whose sex is not known. Yani ki we doesn't know that is he boy or girl. A child, we say a child cries. We can use with the child it. When it feels hunger, we doesn't know that the child is boy or girl. To lay emphasis, if we want to lay the emphasis to get the citrus, we use it. Or to talk about distance or temporary, that is something is, it is for example 15 kilometers from here. Or to refer a previous statement if something has happened already. We also use at that time it with that as a preparatory subject. For example, it is nice if we want to give citrus upon the subject, to see you again. As a preparatory object, if we want to give citrus upon the object, for example, she feels it necessary to wait here. In noun clauses, I have already told you that clause is part of the sentence, and it is sometimes used with the noun clauses. For example, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, noun with the noun clause, whether he will come here. As a preparatory subject with gender, gender is known to you, that is fourth form. Sometimes we use the fourth form with it. It is very nice playing with as if, as though. For example, it looks as if India won. With the sentences begin with time. With it is time. For example, it is high time they realized their mistake. In the same way, in the structure, A plus B plus adjective plus of plus noun plus pronoun plus to infinitive. It is not mostly used, but sometimes it is very kind of heart to help you. In the same way, I know that it becomes difficult for you, but I will once again repeat them when I will elaborate them. At this time I am saying only to give you the clue so that you will be able to understand the types. Then in other lectures I will elaborate them. Interrogative, I have already told you that interrogative means questions. For example, who is used for persons in subject case. Whom, there are also examples you can see now yourself. Whom, persons in the object case. Whose, for things in the possessive case, you can see examples also. Which, for persons and things. What, for things. What, it also refers to profession. For example, what is he, yani what job he is doing. In the same way, seventh, what plus be plus like. For example, make a request for a description. What is the night like. Also it is used, what does he she it look like. That means it shows to talk about physical appearance, yani how he is physically. What does your brother look like, yani how he looks physically. In the same way, last one, what plus for, here it is meaning in the sense of why. What is he doing it for, yani why he is doing it. I think that you have understood, but once again I say that it is only the cracks. I will elaborate them all, don't worry. Now distributive pronouns. Distribute means to distribute it. For example, each, every, everybody, everyone, everything, either, neither, none, any. You can see that with which they are used. Each, it is used if the member in the group is limited and definite. If there may be 10 people, 11 people, 100 people, it should be definite. Every is used when the group is indefinite. We didn't know how many thousands, lakhs. Everybody, it is used with singular verb. Everyone is also used with singular verb. Everything is also used with singular verb. Either is also used with singular verb. Neither is also used with singular verb. None is also used with singular verb. Any is also used with singular verb. I hope that you have understood, because these days on the insistence of some students I am making the very short videos. Okay, bye. I hope that you will send the feedback in the YouTube channel, in the channel Salim Service Academy SSA, because feedback is necessary. I always insist to you for feedback. Maybe today you have not understood it. I know that you have not fully understood it, but please wait for that, because I will send you more videos where I will elaborate in detail. Don't worry for that. First of all, you go through these videos also, then you can say, sir, we are not able to understand. It was only to give a brief introduction about this. Okay, thank you, bye.